While some people think of jigsaws only as woodworking tools, they're actually really versatile tools. They often find their way onto almost every contractor's job site at some point. Choosing the best cordless jigsaw is more than just the convenience of having no cord though. The newest models are just as strong as corded, and some come with some pretty advanced pro-level features. We know you're busy, and in this video, we're going to reveal our top 5 cordless jigsaws and why we chose them. If you'd like to see more details of how we tested, along with the other models we also recommend, hit the link in our description to see the full written review. Now, let's kick things off with the best budget cordless jigsaw. At just $54 for the bare tool and $89 for the kit with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger, there's no better way to get started with cordless jigsawing on a budget than with Hart's 20-volt jigsaw. With multiple orbital settings, a variable speed slider, lock-on button, and more, it has a surprisingly rich feature set for the price. While its design isn't as refined as more expensive models, we were able to get quality results from this sub-$100 kit. This tool is perfect for the DIY hobbyist or anyone wanting to jigsaw for light projects. Get this one at Walmart. Kobalt earned our best value pick with a design that competes with some of the best pro models, but at a much lower price. It has a brushless motor and a blade release we found really easy to use. You get tool-free bevel adjustments where other manufacturers force you to pull out an Allen wrench, and even a selectable cut line blower plus 3 optional orbital modes. What really sets it apart, however, is its impressive cutting performance. Even though it tops out at just 3,000 SPM, it cuts with speeds much closer to the top saws than its specs might suggest. At $129 for the bare tool, and with one of the more affordable battery programs available, it's a really compelling choice for pros looking for a great value-priced jigsaw. Before we move on, let me take a quick second to say thanks for clicking on our video. We hope you find it helpful. While you're here, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell to get notified of our next head-to-head video. When you finish watching this one, check out our picks for the top cordless routers. Not everyone needs a jigsaw that can cut through 2x and other thick materials, so the fastest speed isn't always a high priority. However, there are several that make those tough cuts quickly, and Milwaukee finished our testing with the fastest cutting speeds. The brushless motor kept up its 3,500 strokes per minute speed, even in thicker material. Keep in mind, you need to engage orbital action to get the fastest cuts, and that's going to leave you with a rougher edge. Milwaukee's design team made a couple of interesting calls on this one. On one hand, the tool-free bevel adjustment, dust port adapter, and cut line blower on-off switch are options not every jigsaw has. On the other, there's no variable speed dial on the top handle model. The blade release is a little quirky too. It slides around the front, and that's an upgrade from a shaft-mounted release. However, it's a little sticky out of the box and could stand a more offered gripping surface for your thumb. Get it for $199 bare or $299 as a kit. To get the best accuracy and control, you need a great line of sight, solid tracking, and excellent deflection control. Low vibration also helps keep your hands from getting tired while you work. No other saw did this as well as Makita in our testing, including both their top handle and barrel grip models. Of all the cordless jigsaws we tested, Makita has the most refined design and performance. This fast-cutting 3,500 SPM jigsaw has surprisingly low vibration compared to others with a similar stroke rate. There are a couple of quirks you're either going to love or hate though. First, it has an always-on automatic start. Even if you're not a fan of that feature, try it first if you can. Makita seems to be more natural than the others. The other odd feature is Makita's dedicated power button. You need to turn it on before you can operate the tool. Pick up the top handle for $269 as a bare tool, or the barrel grip for $279. That just leaves our top overall pick. Whether you want a top handle or barrel grip style, the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR delivers. Its cutting speed wasn't as fast as some of the others, but its vibration control was better, and it kept the blade deflection down to nothing on tough cuts. The top handle model also had a lower overall height that gave us a feeling of having better control over our cuts. With both versions of this jigsaw, the controls seem well placed and easy to reach without having to move your grip. This was especially noticeable on the barrel grip, where many of our testing team's hands couldn't reach the on-off switch on other models. While there are a couple of trade-offs to consider, DeWalt gave us the best overall cutting experience, and we enjoyed using this tool the best. Get yours for $199 as a bare tool or $329 as a kit. The barrel grip bare tool runs $209. After testing so many jigsaws, those are our top picks for these 5 categories. What's on top of your list? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching. Help us out by subscribing to our channel below. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest videos.